Hi everybody, I hope you are well because I'm so awesome. It's snowing here in Prague and I just finished the Munich video. I hope you enjoyed it. However, I would like you to give me some tips and comments to the transitions and to the whole video, how you liked it. And if you would give me some experience of you and, for example, flying drones in Germany, I would be glad because I'm planning to have a trip over Germany and to visit like the most breathtaking castles of Germany. So let me know and see you guys in the next video.